In this video, I want to show you the Optimize Member and Optimize Press shortcodes you can use to give your membership portal some more functionality and flexibility. So the page I'm going to be working on for this example, and also because I need to, is the join page. And as a quick reminder, the join page is the page that people will be automatically forwarded to if they try and access something that they don't have access to. Now, there could be a variety of reasons why somebody doesn't have access to the particular page they're trying to access. One is that they're not logged in. Another reason is that they just don't have access, so we should offer them the ability to buy access to that particular page or package or course or whatever. And we can use the shortcodes to do that, and I'll link to the Optimize Press article about shortcodes down below. And there are quite a few different shortcodes to choose from and how to display certain things, like we can display the name of the logged in member. We can ask them or offer them the option to modify their profile. We can do stuff with user levels, with IP addresses, if they're logged in or logged out, or based on what package they have access to, which I'll be using a lot of because I separate my products based on packages. So I do a lot of shortcodes with regards to if they do or don't have access to a specific package. So first things first, I'm going to come back over to the join page, and again, one of the reasons somebody might not have access to the product is because they're not logged in. So let's go ahead and give people a link if they're not logged in already. So I'm just going to add a new element, and I'm just going to do a text block. Click this option, and I typed a little message. It looks like you're not logged in. Log in to access your products, and click here to log in. And I'll throw a link to the login form right here. And now I'm going to wrap this in a shortcode. So if the user is not logged in, grab this shortcode. Just grab both real quick. And you just paste whatever you want in between the particular shortcode. All right, so insert, and then I will just save and continue. Okay, view public link, and I shouldn't see that line because I am currently logged in, but if I open a different browser where I'm not logged in and load this page, I should see the option to log in. So here we go. It looks like you're not logged in. Log in to access your products. Click here to log in. And I'm going to come back and format this and make it look more natural and pretty. But you get the general idea. So it only shows if you're not logged in. Now, what if they are logged in, but they just don't have access to the particular package? Well, that's no problem. We can give them different options. So I can go ahead and include join buttons. So member. And this is just like creating the order form buttons on all the other pages that we did previously. So I'll come back and edit the text and all that later, but I can just say, fill this out. Click insert. And now what you can also do is wrap this with a shortcode. So you hit the little gear icon here, and it gives you code before element and code after element. So what I could do right here is, if they don't have access to the particular package that I'm offering through that button, then I'm going to show that button. So this is for the autoresponder series that I'm offering. So if they don't have access to that, I want to show them this button. So here's the code for this. So show content to user who does not have access to a specific package, CC app. So let's copy this, come back over here, paste it before the element. Then let's get the closing shortcode, paste it after the element, and then we need to update it with the appropriate CC app. So I'll come into my admin panel here, go to Optimize Member, General Options, define membership levels and packages, and make sure I grab the correct one. So Autoresponder Series. Come back over to my page, and I'm going to edit the free gift because that's not the name of my package. the name of my package is autoresponder series. So if current user cannot, that's what that little exclamation mark means, access optimized member CC app autoresponder series, we're going to show that button. So now this button will only show if the individual does not have access to the autoresponder series. So if I look at the page, since I'm logged in and I have access, I should not see that button, and I don't. But if I open up a page that I'm not logged in on, I should see that button. There we go. There's the button. So now somebody could go through and buy access and join the website that way. And I evidently linked to the wrong product. I accidentally linked to the upsell. I should have logged into ClickBank and double check my product names, but I'll do that. I guess I'll fix that right now while I'm thinking about it. AF1. Okay. All right, so that's how you can go about adding shortcodes and buttons and wrapping the buttons in shortcodes. So that way you can restrict access or grant access to certain items and have buy now buttons for products and services that they don't have access to currently. And it just gives you complete flexibility over your membership platform.